the rehabilitation and reconstruction of the Enugu urban roads is commencing today with this symbolic flag off in earnest. We're not going to entertain any variation. We're not going to entertain any cost overrun or any time overrun, because the funds will be provided, and we will ensure we will put in place effective monitoring to ensure not only that the quality and the standard we have agreed are met, but that also the timelines are kept strictly.
Our team of skilled professionals will work tirelessly to ensure the success of this project.
We made a promise during the development center tours that we will open up the rural areas with infrastructural development. And today, we are here to witness this come true.